Hello, welcome to tutorial 1A. Today we're going to take a look at what a sentence needs in order to be complete. First of all, what is a sentence? Well, a sentence is a message from one person to another or one person to many people. You talk in sentences frequently throughout the day. And when you do that, you have the advantage of sending your message using facial expressions, hand gestures, or body language. And that really does help to get your message across. When you're writing, however, we have words only on the page or on the screen. We do have some punctuation that helps, but that's why it's really necessary to write clearly and completely, because we don't have the advantage of using our facial expression or body language. We're going to take a look at the first part that's needed in every sentence. So, if you were to ask me, Mike, what goes on in your family on Saturday mornings? I might say to you, reads. If I said that to you, you're going to have a question mark in your head, because you're going to say, well, that's interesting that that goes on. But wait a minute, it's not complete. Who reads in your family? Is it you, your son? Is it your wife? So there's something missing here. So if I said, my wife reads, then you understand the message. It's clear and complete. Another example would be, I might say, rings. Again, you ask me what goes on Saturday mornings, and I say rings. You're going to have a question mark in your head again. You're going to say, Mike, what rings? What happens in your home on Saturday mornings that makes a noise like that? So I then have to give more information. I might say, my cell phone rings. Now you understand what I'm saying. So in this case, we talked about who was doing this action. In this case, we talked about what was doing the action. So when we have answered the question, who or what is doing an action, what we've provided to the listener, to the reader, we provided the subject. And that is the first thing that's needed in every sentence. So as you work through this course, you're going to be writing sentences and making sure that you have a subject in your sentence, that you tell who or what does the things that are happening in your sentence. You can stay tuned, and you're going to find that there are going to be some summary notes after this talk in text, and then we'll move on to tutorial 1B. So I'll see you in tutorial 1B, and I look forward to talking about the second part that is key, that all sentences must have in order to be complete.